Hello and welcome. Today's tutorial is entitled User Role Controlled by Request Parameter. This lab demonstrates a broken access control vulnerability where the user's access rights are stored in a user-controllable location, more specifically a cookie. To solve the lab, we must access the admin panel and delete the user Carlos. Let's access the lab and start hacking. We know from the lab's description that there is an admin panel at /admin. In the real world, you would most likely have to find this endpoint from leaked code, comments, Git repositories, or by brute force. For example, we can easily find it by fuzzing for common paths. We can use a tool such as Derb, which comes pre-installed in Kali Linux, and can easily be installed on other Debian-based systems. As you can see, one of the paths found is indeed /admin. If we try navigating to /admin, we see this message: admin interface only available if logged in as an administrator. We know from the lab description that the admin panel identifies administrators using a forgeable cookie. Let's look for the cookies and see what we can do. First, let's open the developer tools. Right-click and select Inspect, or press F12. Now, if we go to the Application tab, we can see a Cookies section. Observe that we have been assigned a cookie containing a unique identifier, usually a hash, which the application uses for session management. Now, if we go to My Account and log in with the provided credentials, winner Peter, we see another cookie. The cookie's name is admin and its value is set to false. This is unusual because privilege levels are typically stored and enforced server-side, not in a client-modifiable cookie. If we try going to the admin panel again, we again see the previous message about being logged in as an administrator. But the admin cookie makes us wonder, what if it were true? Would the server implicitly trust its value and give us access to the administrator panel? Since we have access to the cookie, we can try changing its value to true and see. Refreshing the page, we see that the admin panel is indeed accessible now. This confirms the vulnerability. The application relies on a user-controlled cookie to determine whether a user is an administrator. Because cookies are fully controlled by the client, this access control mechanism can easily be bypassed. Remember, sensitive functionality must never rely on client-side data to determine user privileges. Access control decisions must always be enforced on the server. Now, to solve the lab, we just need to delete Carlos and the lab is solved. This is it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye!